Hello everyone, my name is Ali and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own account on Skype and how to be using it. Before we get started, I'm going to tell you a bit about Skype. Skype is a free program where users can communicate with each other and also can video chat. So they can video chat with their loved ones, or they can video chat with their family or their friends, or they can video chat to anybody basically. Also, Skype can be downloaded on any computer devices. So for example, it can be downloaded on your phone or your iPod, your iPad, your laptop, your computer, your TV, your PSP, basically any computer device. And also Skype is very easy to use, so anyone can use it. So let's begin. So step one, what you have to do is that you have to open up your Internet Explorer. So once you have opened up your Internet Explorer, what you have to do is that you have to write Skype in the search box. So Skype. After that, you click on the first link, and after that, that will take you to the home page of Skype. So what you have here is that you have learn, prices, downloads, and support. And at the bottom of the home page, you have like what you need to know more about Skype. So the one that you want to click on is join us, which means that you want to sign up for Skype. So click on that. After that, it shows you where you have to create your account. So you have to fill out all your details. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an example. So first name Ali, last name Abdullah. Now your email address, so you have to do your email address here and here again, so you have to repeat both of them twice. So Ali Abdullah 2010 at Hotmail. While I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you about the good points about Skype. Skype is free, so you can download it for free on your computer. If you have Windows 8, it's already on your computer. Anyone can use it, so you can be old, young, basically any age. Also, you can do group chat. So you can do group talks. So basically, you can add 10 people at once. You can add 10 people into a conversation and talk to them. So basically, you can talk to your friends all at once. And also, you can use Skype on your smartphones, your laptop, your computer, basically like I said before, any computer device. Sorry about that. Now here you have to fill out your profile information, so your date of birth. So that's what I'm gonna do here. 1996. Select gender. Here you have male, female, male. Now here you have country, region. So you have all the countries around the world, different countries. So United Kingdom would be one. City would be London. Now here you have languages. So you have different languages. So it will be English. Now here you have mobile phone, so put the number. And now here it says, how do you intend to use Skype? So there are two options. Here you have mostly personal conversation and mostly business conversations. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick mostly personal conversation. This means that I can talk to only my friends, family, and basically people that I know. And Skype name. Now here, now you're wondering what these are. These are your free option. These are Skype names basically. What Skype has done is that they have chosen you free Skype names. So for example, if I actually wrote a different name, if I wrote John, it would be John something number. But I wrote my name and my second name, so it will be Ali.Abdullah 867 or Ali.Abdullah 304, Ali.Abdullah 1539. So what Skype does is that every time you write your email address and your name, it will give you free Skype names, so you can pick one of them. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pick the first one. Once I have done that, I have to create my password. Now here you have to read it. Here you have to read very carefully. So it says between 6 to 20 characters, including Latin letters and numbers. No one else can see your password, so make sure no one else is looking at your password while you're writing it down. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Also, I'm gonna tell you a bit about the bad points of Skype. Bad points is mostly sometimes you can't see your friends because of the internet connection. You can download. Sometimes you can't download images or videos. Sometimes you can lose internet connection. But really, there isn't that many bad points on Skype. Also, sometimes you can update the new version of Skype, so that's a good thing. Now here you have to type this in this text box. If you can't read it, you can press refresh. If you can't read it, you can always click on the listen button. Which is, I don't know why I did it, but if you don't understand at all, you can always click on the help button. So after you have wrote this in the text box, you click on I agree, continue. Now here are some different languages. So if you can't read in English, they always have options for you to read in other languages. So you can read in like Arabic, Chinese, Polish, Portuguese, basically any language. Sometimes it takes time to load up, sometimes it's quick. Now, so here we have my Skype name and my name, and as you can see here, it says, "Hi Ali, your Skype account is ready." So this means everything's up to date, everything's ready. Also when you create a new account, you get free credits. Also, if you have Windows 7, it will always say to download Skype for Windows. But if you already have if you have Windows 8, you already have Skype, so you don't need to download it. As you can see, like I said earlier, it says download a different version. So there are always, most of the time, there are different versions of Skype, or sometimes you can update the new one. Now what we have to do is that we're gonna enter our Skype name and our password onto Skype. So like I said earlier, if you have Windows 8, it will automatically have Skype. So now here, this bit you need to know. If you have Windows 8, what you have to do is that you have to write your Microsoft account. So that means you have to write your email address and your password. But if you have Windows 7, you can write your Skype name and username. But I have Windows 8, so I have to write my email address. And my password. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you the features on Skype and what you can do on Skype. Now sometimes it can make a sound like earlier. Now if you see little circles, that means these people are online. So that means you can call them. and they can call you. That's only if you have the green circle too. If they don't have the green circle, that means they're not online. Also, you can add your favorite people, as you can see here, favorites, and these are the people. Now if I click here where my profile picture is, what happens is that this will come up. Now here you have two options. You have available and invisible. Available means that people know that you're online, so that means they can call you. But invisible means that people can't call you. So if I clicked on invisible, that means no one can call me right now. Also, you can enter mood messages on your Skype to tell what your mood is today. Also, if you don't want to lie, you can always put a picture up. So as you can see here, you can see different emotions and different pictures. Also, if I click here, call phones, what happens is that if you want to call to another country, what you have to do is that you have to buy Skype credits. So that means you have to buy, that means when you buy Skype credits, you can call to another country, like for example Algeria, Afghanistan, Argentina, New Zealand, Australia, America, basically anywhere in the world. But if you're gonna call to the cell phones, you also have to buy Skype credits. But if you're just gonna call them on Skype, it's free. Also, you can text them on Skype. You can send a message to them. So also, if I'm gonna call a person, for example this person, I can press this green button with the phone on. So when you click on that, this what happens, and it will make a little sound. This means that you want the person to see you. So as you can see, this means that you want to mute the sound. This means that you want to send pictures and all, basically anything. And this means that you want to end all. And this little video camera here means that when you click on that, it will automatically show your face on the screen. So that means that person can see you straight away. So as you can see here again. But if the person's gonna call you, what would happen is that on the top right corner, it will show you that that person is calling you, and when they're calling you, you click on that and you click this little button here. So you have to click on that. Also, sometimes if you have Windows 7, what would happen is that it will on the bottom right corner, it will show you that person's online automatically. But if you have Windows 8, you can already see that they have little green circles. Well, that's about it on Skype. And thank you for watching, and I hope you know how to create your own account on Skype and how to use it. Thank you, and goodbye.